Hi, I hope your day is great. I wanted to share with you an experiment that I tried and the recipe. So I had an idea for a shampoo, and then I thought I'd try it on my hair, and I think it turned out fair, so I'll share that with you. And I'll also write the ingredients below. So I took my blender, and this is just inexpensive, but I like it a lot. And I took it's about a 3.1 3-ounce Ivory Soap. I cut it up and I put it in this blender, and I added 2 cups of water, and I blended it on a medium. So I would recommend a low medium because it makes bubbles. Consistency, speed. So then I added an egg yolk. So I did separate the white from the egg yolk, and I added the egg yolk while it was still blending. So I've got the soap and the water blended first, then I added the egg and blended it, and then I added sunflower oil, 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, and I just drizzled that 1/4 cup in slow while it was blending, and then I blended it an extra minute, still kind of on a low medium speed. And how it turned out, I put it in this bottle, which did have a shampoo body wash bottle, and it's a pump, and I used it this morning. Let me see how it pumps up right now. It looks like it stayed consistent. So it's pumping up kind of a, I don't know if you can see that, kind of a lotion kind of texture. So I think the egg yolk is an emulsifier, and with the oil kind of helped it be thick like that. And I did have to use kind of a lot to get a good lather going, and I think it worked as well as the other soap that was actually in this bottle before, and this says made with plant extract, shampoo, body wash, bubble bath. And I also did use this as a body wash, so this would be a shampoo and a body wash, and I think it did pretty good. So this is my hair. I did put conditioner on afterwards, and it worked about the same as this, which I also need to use conditioner when I use this. So time will tell how long this will last. I'm hoping without fermenting or going bad. So time will tell if the egg and the water goes bad. I'm hoping that the soap is alkaline and will keep it good, and so I'll try to keep you updated on that. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Again, that was 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, I'm so sorry, 2 cups of water, 1 bar of soap, 3 ounces, 1/4 cup of oil, and an egg yolk separated. Okay, love you. Please subscribe. I appreciate that if you have, and like, and thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.